What's up, guys? How y'all doing? It's your girl Sandy back here again. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandradeclan, and if you're new here, you haven't missed much. I'm really happy to have you all here today. We're actually having a little drive around my neighborhood because it's time for me to move houses. It's going to help you have an idea how much houses are going for within the West Midlands. If you have plans of obtaining a property within the area, it's something you'd really want to watch. Okay, if you don't want to miss it all, join me because I need you guys to help me make a decision or make a choice of which of the houses among the three I should choose. Stick around, don't go anywhere. Let's go for a ride. All right. Today is a different kind of video. I'm going for a ride with you guys. Just before this pandemic happened, I was already in a house search because I felt it's time for me to move properties, and we'll be going around today because I have booked viewings already, and today will be sort of going on a viewing with you guys, have a look at the properties we have within the area and sort of have an idea of how much houses are going for. Prices of houses have dipped down a little bit after this pandemic, and I felt this video is going to help you with information about how much houses of what sizes are going for within the West Midlands. So stick around, don't go anywhere. So the first property we'll be visiting today is the 3-bedroom end terrace, going for £160,000. Obviously, if we're given an offer of about 5 grand less, it should be fine. And here is the bathroom, all tiled, really nice. And that's the hallway. That's bedroom number 1. It's got wallpapers on the walls. They're in the process of moving out, so those are the things on the floor. And that's bedroom number 2, which is slightly bigger than the first one. Well decorated. It's a really, really clean property. I like it. Really, really beautiful wallpapers. And that's bedroom number 3. It's got, lovely pictures on the walls. It's got an inbuilt wardrobe. Yeah. And size is not that bad. So this is upstairs. So going down the stairs, it goes down and lands into the living room. Yeah. So that's the living room there. Also has a wallpaper on there. Has a cover for the heater. Now that's the kitchen. It's all messed up because they're in the process of moving out. It's a really, really clean property, I must say. It's not that bad. And there's a space for the washing machine. And then there's got a little storage in the kitchen that goes out into the garden. I particularly love this property because it's got a lovely garden, really lovely green grass. Yeah, that is gonna come in handy for the summer. And then when you turn left, it goes into the garage. So the next property is a 3-bedroom semi-detached, and the seller wants £150,000 for it. It's a newly built property, and guess the seller just wants a bigger property, which is why they're selling it. So we'll have a look at it and then we'll see. So here in property number 2, once you get into the property, the first thing you see to your left is the kitchen. So that's the kitchen, decent sized. It's got space for the washing machine, it's gas cooking hob, which I like. It's got a small space for the fridge. That might be a little bit of a problem because I've got a double-sized fridge and a freezer on the side, which hasn't got space for. There's a downstairs toilet, and there's storage downstairs, which isn't bad at all because you get, though the kitchen is not that big, you can have space to put your stuff. So that's the living room area, and it's got the dining on the side. It's quite decent sized, not too bad. I just wished that the dining area was a bit separate because the living room is not that massive, but it's something that's workable. My only concern with this property is the size of the kitchen. I've got too many appliances that might not fit in. But yeah, that's the landing, and when you get upstairs, room number 1, which is the master, has got an inbuilt wardrobe, medium sized, I'll call it because it's not a double. It's got an ensuite bathroom with a standing shower and all tiled beautifully, and then it's got really lovely big windows that makes the room really, really bright. And then just when you come out of the master bedroom, on your left is the upstairs family bathroom, which is a bath, really nice, and then shower over it. And just after that is the second bedroom that has been converted into an office. So yeah, not a bad property, but the rooms are quite small, and doesn't look like my stuff are gonna fit in there. So that's it for the second property. We're heading now to the third property, which is a 4-bedroom and terrace. It's a really, really lovely neighborhood. I like it. It's newly built, not up to 5 years old, which makes it really spectacular. Has a very beautiful kids playing ground, as you can see. And yeah, we're just heading towards the property now, but we're just going through the neighborhood to see if it's a neighborhood that we would like. Really nice, really quiet. Looks really, really decent. Yeah, quiet. That's the kids playing ground on the right. Really nice. Yeah. This is property number 3, and It's on the market. It was initially on the market just before the lockdown for £186,000. It's a 4-bedroom house with one toilet downstairs, one family bathroom upstairs, and an ensuite in the master bedroom. Really nice. So that's a downstairs toilet right there, and that's a shoe rack on the hallway, and that's the kitchen. Really lovely. I like the color and the quality of the finishing in the kitchen is really nice. It's overlooking the street over there, really bright. That's a little kitchen diner, and then it has an inbuilt fridge which I just opened. Everything pretty much in this kitchen is inbuilt. So that's the oven and that's the cooking hob, and wow, really nice. It's got a dishwasher as well, all fitted, comes with the property, so I wouldn't have to buy one. And that's the inbuilt washing machine as well, also there. And so the good thing about this is if I move in, I might have to get rid of my old stuff. And that's the living room. Yeah, that's the living room. It's really good size, and yeah, the corner right there can be used for the dining area. So just coming upstairs, this is bedroom number 1. Really nice, and you know, I like the carpets, really bright. I don't know how these kids are going to manage with the color of the carpet, but yeah, we can deal with that. There's the upstairs bathroom, really lovely, really modern. Everything in there is modern. That's bedroom number 2 that has been converted into an office. Yeah, and that's the master bedroom that has got an ensuite in there. I think I like this property, and that's the inbuilt wardrobe over there. And that's a storage unit downstairs for your extra stuff that you've got. Yeah, going back into the bathroom again, it's got a fitted drawers, and it's got fully fitted. Really nice to have your visitors come to a beautiful bathroom like that. That's good. And that's the living room as well again. So let me show you the garden. Due to social distancing, the agent was in the garden, so I couldn't go out. But yeah, that's the garden over there. It's got a decking. It's quite grown though, but we'll deal with that. So a quick whisk around the kitchen again. I think I'm really drawn to this property because the kitchen is decent sized, and there is enough space in the living room where I can keep my my double feet. So here we are walking around the garden, going into the garage. So we see what size it is. Really nice. So I've got a space to park in front of the house. I've got one more parking spot just in front of the garage, and then a space in the garage. So that will accommodate the 2 vehicles we have. I think I really like this property already. Yeah, so that's the garage. Really good sized. It's got electric in there, so you can keep my extra gadgets in here as well. The second property has got a garage as well, but it had no electric. So yeah, I think I like it. All these things will be disposed of after the final sale if I choose. So these are the 3 properties we've had a look at today. Comparatively, houses in London of this nature ranges between £400,000 up to the millions, depending on which part of London you're looking at. So this is it compared to Shropshire. If this is an area you're looking at moving into, I really hope this video has been helpful to give you an insight as to how much houses cost in the area. I'll need you guys to help me make a decision so I can put in an offer to one of these properties. I hope you've really enjoyed the vlog, and I'm really grateful for having you guys here. For my returning subscribers, I say thank you. If this is your first time of watching me today, consider subscribing. Turn on the bell notification so the next time I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. Once I have got the property and everything is gone through and we're moving, I'll do another vlog to show you all how the progress has gone. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed yourself. Have a good one. Bye.